Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Dear student, today I am going to teach you grammar. Before explaining, I would like to give the sentence here. I would like to give you examples. First example here. See the example here. Round apple. Yellow shirt. 3 apples. Big room. Ram is 5. Sour grapes. Here highlighted words are given with a black color. Round table, round it is highlighted with black. Yellow, 3, big, 5, sour. Here these words give more information about the noun, which is noun. Table, shirt, apples, room, Ram is 5 years, grapes, sour grapes. Here words are given here, as well as you have given the more information about noun. Words that tells us more about nouns are called describing words or adjectives. Words, these words, highlighted words, means round, yellow, 3. How many apples? 3. Which is the color of your shirt? Yellow. How is the table? Round. So here the give more information about noun. Round table. So it is the describe or give more information about noun, which is noun. Table. Okay. So round, yellow, 3, big, 5, sour. These are the adjectives. So today we are going to learn adjectives. Adjective is a word that tells us more about the nouns. More about nouns, give more information about noun, are called describing words or adjectives. I have a red frock. So red, I have a red frock. Who said the sentence? Rita said. Rita said. Here Rita said, I have a red frock. I have a red frock. Here frock is noun. Which is the color of her frock? Red. So red give more information about frock. Okay, it's describe more. So red word, it is the adjective. Let us do the example. A. It is a sunny day. Here day is noun and sunny it is the give more information about day. How is this day? Sunny, brighten. So sunny it is the adjective. So let us do the exercise. Circle the adjectives and underline the nouns. So which is the adjective in the sentence? Sunny it is the adjective and day it is noun. B sentence. The soup is cold. Here soup is noun and cold it is adjective. Next, an elephant is a big animal. Elephant it is noun. An animal also noun. But how is the elephant? Big. So big it is the adjective. An ant is a tiny insect. Ant it is noun. Insect also noun. And tiny it is the adjective. How is an ant? Tiny, small. The frog is red in color. The frog is noun. Red it is the adjective. F sentence. Sita is thin. Sita is noun. How is Sita? Thin. So thin it is the adjective. G question. The bag is yellow. The bag is noun. Yellow it is the adjective. This pencil is short. Pencil is noun. Short is the adjective. Plants have green leaves. Plants is noun. Leaves also noun. How is the plant's leaves? Green. So green it is here adjective. Priya has 3 pens. Priya it is the noun and pen also noun here. But how many pens Priya has? 3. So 3 words here adjective. J.K. Rowling is a famous author. Author is name. J.K. Rowling is it's also proper noun. So famous year author. Famous year adjective. Red Riding Hood was a pretty girl. Red Hood, it is a proper noun. Girl, it's common noun. Pretty, it is adjective. How is the girl? How is the Red Riding Hood? Pretty. A fox is cunning animal. Fox is noun. Animal is noun. Cunning, it is adjective. How is the fox? Fox is cunning. The new airport is near my house. The new airport. Airport is here. Noun. But how is the airport? It's new. So circle the adjective. Let us do the exercise next. We have to complete the question 20. Question number 2. You are given the question. I am going to read. Sonal went to the zoo with her parents. She decided to write about the birds and animals saw there in her diary. But she is not sure about the correct describing words. Help her choose suitable describing words for each animal and bird. This question is about Sonal went to the zoo with her parents and she decided to write information about animals and birds. Okay. Now she is writing a diary and describing about the animals. So we have to choose the correct describing word. Dear diary, Mummy and Papa took me to the zoo today. We saw many interesting animals and birds. We saw the zebras which have black and white dash options, strip and spotted bodies. Zebras have strips. This is the lines. It's called strip. Okay, right here. There were two African elephants with big ears and dash tusk. They have a long tusk. The rabbits look so sweet with their long ears and dash options are soft and curly fur. The rabbits have a soft fur. We saw some parrots from South America with dash options are silky and colorful feather. Some parrots are from South America. They are colorful. So write here colorful. Choose the correct. I have underlined the answer. You have to write or fill in the blanks. Okay. They were very noisy. The woodpeckers have dash options are sharp and small. Beaks with which they can make hole in the wood. Here the woodpecker have a small beaks with which they can make holes in the wood. Wood means in the wood. It is a type of wood. So woodpecker make a hole for there to stay there. So sharp is the correct answer. I like the kingfisher bird with its dash option are smooth and bright blue feather. I like the kingfisher bird with its smooth blue feather. Kingfisher has a bright, I think. Bright the correct answer. Do you know it catches fish for food? The giraffe has big spot on its body and a dash long or tall neck. Long neck. I wonder how it drinks water. The mother kangaroo has a dash narrow deep pouch on its stomach in which she carries her baby. Mother kangaroo has a deep pouch here. Deep pouch. The correct answer. That is so sweet. The camel has a dash short and big hump on its back. Short. I don't think I would like to ride on its back. The hippos are so fat and have very dash strong and thick skin. Their skin is strong. The answer is maybe thick. They have a big head and a dash huge small mouth. They have a big head and a dash huge small mouth. They have a big head and a dash. Who have? Yes, hippos. They have a big head and a small mouth. The correct answer is small mouth. I think I was a little afraid of them. Love Sonal.